Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Vista Cancun Golf and Spa Resort. This is a beautiful brand new modern build and the rooms are fantastic. Now this particular one that we're in is a family suite. It's in the preferred club level, so you're gonna get all of those wonderful preferred club amenities that I think even make a bigger deal when you're traveling with your family. But what makes this category unique is the plunge pool. So let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you walk in the door here to the right-hand side, you're gonna have your storage. So on the left-hand side here, you're gonna have shelves up and down. You've got your safe, you got a hair dryer, a steamer, and also you have a scale down on the bottom. You got your full-size golf umbrella, and then right here, I just wanted to point out these robes. They're really, really unique and nice. They're really comfy, they're fleece on the inside, and they're set up like a hoodie, so it's like wearing a really comfortable sweatshirt. So now we're headed into the bathroom. Now on the right-hand side here, you've got your toilet, and then in front of me, you have a large double vanity. You've got a chair here where you can sit and get ready, your backlit makeup mirror that's magnifying. You're also gonna have the upgraded amenity kit. That too is part of the Preferred Club program. And then underneath here, you've got your towels and just a little bit of storage. So continuing on, now you are in the shower. It is a huge shower. It's a really large rainforest shower head above. You've got your shower wand right here. You've got a nice little bench over here that you can sit on or utilize as you need. Your upgraded amenity kit is over there, but once again, signature of the Dreams Vista are those incredible views, and you can see the view from the shower out to the ocean. So we continue on in, now we are in the bedroom space. You've got your temperature control on the wall over there. Right here you've got luggage storage above and below, and then this really nice tote that they give you for the beach, and you can actually keep that if you're in the preferred club level. Now, on the right-hand side of the bed, you've got 2 US plugs and 2 USB plugs. Because this is a brand new, ultra-modern hotel, you have all of the plugs that you could ever need, and it's something that you don't always have, so I really appreciate that. Another fantastic feature tied to that is this tablet. You're gonna have access to this throughout your entire stay here. You can check on things like dining menus, spa menus, and times and things along those lines. But what I love the most about this is you can order your room service right from the tablet. You put in your order, they're gonna deliver it directly to your room. You can also use it for an alarm clock and then internet browsing as well. So continuing on, you have your large flat panel smart TV. You do have a bench seat right here, so you can utilize this as a writing desk, and you've got chargers right there as well. And on the other side of the bed here, you once again have 2 US plugs and USB plugs as well, your remote and your phone, and then they've put all of the light switches, including the dimmers, right on the side of the bed, a really convenient feature. I did want to point out that you have a fan. I really, really appreciate that. You might even say I'm a fan of that because I love having the air moving, and not every resort does that. So continuing along right here, you're gonna have your drawer storage. You've got your upgraded amenities here as well. So you're gonna have some snacks and things like that when you're in the preferred club. You also have your Nespresso maker. They'll replenish the Nespresso pods as often as you like. And then under here, you're gonna have your mini bar. It comes fully stocked, and then you can have it stocked and replenished as often as you like throughout your stay. Here you're gonna have a couch bed. So this is not only a sofa, but you can pull it out and it makes into a double bed as well. You got a nice coffee table here just in front. Perfect place for that morning breakfast. So now it's really important to understand that when you book a family suite here, that what that means is it's 2 rooms that are connected together. And it's always set up this way where you have the king bed, and then in this room, you're gonna have 2 full queen size beds. Now instead of the sofa, over here in the corner, you're gonna have a bean bag. You do have a small table there, once again, perfect for coffee. And right here in the middle, you're gonna have the exact same setup as on the other side. You've got your chargers, all of your dimmers and your lights, and you're also gonna have a tablet here as well. I know when you're traveling with your family, doubling up is fantastic. So you're gonna also have 2 full bathrooms. You've got your TV here, also great when traveling with the family to have redundancy there as well. And then heading on in and around the corner, you're gonna have your storage. It's the same as on the other side. And then now you've got your full second bathroom, your double vanity, and then you have your rainforest shower in there as well. But as I mentioned, when you're traveling with a family, having this extra space, but also having the redundancies are really fantastic. I know when we're traveling, if my daughter's doing one thing, my niece and nephew are doing something else, it's really nice to be able to have them together, but also to separate them out. So now we're headed out to the balcony. Once again, you have 2 balconies, one on either side, but I definitely wanted to point out that the doors are pocket doors, so they push back all the way, and you get that great indoor-outdoor flow. Out here on the balcony itself, you've got a table with 2 chairs, perfect place to have that room service, maybe a cup of coffee, a full meal, or a cocktail in the evening. you're gonna have this really cool and comfy lounger. In fact, I don't know that I've ever seen anything like that at a resort, but it's a huge beanbag lounger. But what this category is all about, the reason that you select it, is this plunge pool. So you know that when you travel with kids, it's always great to have a place where they can jump in the water in the morning or the evening. Maybe you don't want to go all the way back out to the pool. This is perfect for that. It's also perfect for anybody who likes to sit and soak. They've got a bench all along the side here and take in these incredible panoramic views. Now, once again, I know I mentioned it when I came out, but you have the exact same thing on the other side. So throughout your entire stay, you're going to have double of everything. So when you're ready to book this wonderful family suite option or any suite at Secrets or Dreams properties, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the space inside and out, and we know that collaboratively we can create the vacation of a lifetime with you and your family at an incredible value.